If you're looking to take your marketing to the next level, using Mailchimp for marketing automation is a game changer. Stick around because I'm about to show you how to set up automated email campaigns that can save you time, increase your efficiency, and drive results. And as a bonus, you can start using Mailchimp for free with a special extended trial by clicking the first link below. Now, let's dive in. First, let's talk about setting up your Mailchimp account. After signing up, you'll be able to create your first list, which is where you'll store all your contacts. This is the foundation of your marketing automation. Once you have your list set up, you can start creating segments based on your audience's interests, behaviors, or engagement. Next thing, automating your emails. You'll want to set up automations for things like welcome emails, cart abandonment reminders, and follow-up sequences. With Mailchimp's easy-to-use interface, you can create a series of emails that are triggered based on certain actions. For example, if someone signs up for your newsletter, Mailchimp will automatically send them a welcome email. It's as simple as choosing your automation, setting triggers, and designing your email sequence. The third thing I want to mention is the power of email templates. Mailchimp offers a variety of pre-designed templates that can be customized to fit your brand. You don't need to be a designer to create professional-looking emails. The drag-and-drop editor makes it easy to add images, text, and call-to-action buttons to your emails. Whether you're sending a promotional offer or a newsletter, Mailchimp's templates will make your emails stand out. Next, let's talk about tracking performance. Once you've sent out your automated emails, you'll want to measure how well they're performing. Mailchimp provides detailed analytics on open rates, click-through rates, and even e-commerce data if you're selling products. This data will help you optimize your campaigns for better results and understand what's working and what's not. The fifth thing is integrating Mailchimp with your other tools. If you're using e-commerce platforms like Shopify or social media channels, Mailchimp integrates seamlessly with them. You can automate your marketing based on customer behavior across multiple platforms, which helps you create a unified experience for your audience. Finally, let's talk about optimizing your campaigns. The beauty of Mailchimp's automation tools is that they learn as they go. You can A/B test your emails to find the best subject lines, designs, and content that resonate with your audience. As you collect data, you'll be able to refine your strategy, ensuring that you're always improving your marketing efforts. To wrap things up, Mailchimp's marketing automation tools are a powerful way to streamline your email marketing and grow your business. With the ability to automate, track, and optimize your campaigns, you'll save time and improve your results. And remember, as I mentioned earlier, you can get started with Mailchimp for free using the exclusive extended trial from the first link in the description below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your marketing automation. Thanks for watching.